Pumpkin seeds have been associated with several health benefits. These include improved prostate health and full of nutrients for optimal health. These seeds can be easily incorporated into your diet. Here are 7 benefits of pumpkin seeds. 1. Full of nutrients. Pumpkin seeds are also known as pepita, a Mexican Spanish term. 1 ounce 28 grams of shell-free pumpkin seeds has roughly 151 calories. They also contain a lot of antioxidants and a decent amount of polyunsaturated fatty acids, potassium, vitamin B2, riboflavin, and folate. The seeds also pack many other nutrients and plant compounds that have been shown to provide health benefits. Too easy to add to your diet. Pumpkin seeds are a popular snack in many countries. They can be eaten raw or roasted, salted or unsalted. You can add them to smoothies, Greek yogurt and fruit. Some people use pumpkin seeds in baking as an ingredient for sweet or savory bread and cakes. They contain phytic acid, which can reduce the bioavailability of some nutrients you eat. 3. Good for bladder and prostate health. Eating pumpkin seeds may help relieve symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. BPH is a condition in which the prostate gland enlarges, causing problems with urination. 10 grams of pumpkin seed extract daily improves urinary function in 45 men and women with overactive bladders. 4. Improves sleep. Consuming around 1 gram of tryptophan daily is thought to improve sleep. You would need around 7 ounces, 200 grams, of pumpkin seeds to achieve the needed amount. The zinc in these seeds can also help convert tryptophan to serotonin, which is then changed into melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of magnesium. 5. High in fiber. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of dietary fiber. Shelled seeds provide 1.1 grams of fiber in a single 1 ounce, 28 gram serving. Furthermore, high fiber diets have been associated with a reduced type 2 diabetes and obesity. 6. High in magnesium. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best natural sources of magnesium. Magnesium is needed for more than 600 chemical reactions in your body. In the US, around 79% of adults have a magnesium intake below the recommended daily amount. 7. Antioxidants rich. Pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants like carotenoids and vitamin E. Antioxidants can reduce inflammation and protect cells from harmful free radicals. Pumpkin seed oil reduced inflammation in rats with arthritis without side effects. Pumpkin seeds are highly nutritious and packed with powerful antioxidants. Eating them can help solve dietary deficiencies and may protect against various health problems. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.